On a scary night tonight, we are pulling motor at the middle of the night
On a Subaru.
Welcome back to Nico's Imports. I know it's been a while, way too long of a while actually. I've been super busy with starting my business and working and just grinding away. But in the midst of everything going on right now, I did buy a new car, which is a terrible idea, and I actually bought a lot of new cars, which is really bad. You probably can see the front end of the other car behind us. That is for a later video, for actually the Folger. But today, we're working on our GT3 flip challenge. And after a long wait, I bought a Subaru Forester. Here's our 2015 Subaru Forester. This thing has clean title, 160,000 miles, aftermarket wheels, and honestly, made a great flip. Bought it for $1,300. Super great. Kind of used it for a trip, but I'm currently stripping the tint on the front windshield or the front window to fix it because the tint's all messed up and I don't want to sell it like that. Windshield's uncracked, a little bit of sun fade, a little bit of sun fade there, but besides that, super great. Couple scratches here and there like a normal used car would have. But on a different note, the reason this thing was so cheap, if I could open the trunk, was this. I got to swap a motor. Yeah. And then it'll be good. Hopefully it would get good. But yeah, found this motor for $800 in good condition, good compression and everything. Couple little bit of damage because it came out of a crash damaged car. No AC compressor, no alternator, but it was like, I think $900 something in total. It shouldn't be too bad. And then I had to buy a new radiator and a bunch of other stuff for this car just to fix it all up. But it should be plug and play, FB25 timing chain motor. Not a really good Subaru guy, but I know something, I guess. Let me come over here. We got aftermarket radio, which is super sellable. The car, honestly, super nice, was old man kept. So besides a couple here scratches and shit like that. Oh yeah. And then randomly have dragons on the side. I don't know why, but you know, not too bad. Then we got some of the discount tire special with brand new tires. But overall, it's super great. I'm gonna unwrap these windows, go drop it off for tint because I have an appointment. $150 on the tint to fix it up front. Hopefully somebody will like it. It's gonna match the rear windows, so then it has privacy. Makes it way more sellable, especially to somebody in Phoenix. But yeah, overall, really great car. I'm gonna take some pictures and probably post some thumbnails for this thing. It has WeatherTech guards. This is like one of the best flips I've had so far. Profit should be pretty intense since I paid $1,300 for it. I'm probably gonna end up selling it for $6,500. So, but I had to swap the motor, which should be a day in and out. And then, yeah, and then we have a 5 Series over there. Don't mind that. Next video. We're in a new location. I kind of moved around all the cars to this location so we could have more space. But yeah, super excited to get this done. Super excited to sell this and then continue to work on different cars. But yeah, let's get into taking off the tint on both front windows and dropping it off. Got that window done. Should be a-okay now. It's kind of dirty, but the tint shop will take care of it. Paying them, you know, $150 to do this. So next is the other front window, and then we should be able to good. We should be good. I'm doing the front window because the tint won't match, and I want it to match so it doesn't look stupid. The rear is fine. It looks good anyways. We got to take off those dragons, and then we should be good after that, and we can go drop it off. Okay, cool. Next is this other car. Next other car. I'm losing my mind. And next is this other window. Hopefully this goes as easy as the first window. Look at that, already coming off. Got the window done. Now we're gonna go to the tint shop, drop this baby off, and get it all cleaned up. Yeah, I'm gonna take all my extension cords out and then call my cousin, see if he's ready to tint it. We got no gas in this thing, but we need to make it to the tint shop. So here we go. And now there's like a pile of cars coming on the street. So this always works. Happy I get to film though. I haven't filmed anything for a while. Oh man, this is intriguing. Oh, everything rushed because last minute things. Because I already sold the car. but the motor's not swapped. It's not tinted. I haven't even started at all. I'm actually cooked right now. This is gonna be really crappy. And then here comes a Kia. But hopefully, I get this all done and then I'm happy to go somewhere. And put that girl in drive, and we're on our way. Oh no, the GoPro. Hold on, camera crew. 12 hours later. And we have arrived to the tint shop. Okay, we just arrived to inspectors. I'll be right back. All right, now we're on inspectors. We're gonna get the front windows tinted. We're in the facility right now, which is across town. This is the second location they have. We've never filmed in this one before. But inspectors usually helps me with all the tint stuff and random window stuff that I have issues with. Great for flipping cars though, so we get add tint. My homie Eric's doing it over here. He's gonna be tinting it, doing this super last minute, so thankful for inspectors being able to do this and fix that so it doesn't look so ugly. But we're gonna time lapse it. Hope you guys enjoy the time lapse of him tinting. I mean, most people, it's like 11,000 people watch it, so it's not average. Wow. Unless you did the Honda Civic one. The Honda Civic was 100K.
Wow.
Yeah.
So everybody loves Honda Civics.
Yeah, they like the Honda Civic. Well, that whole series, I think, had like a total of like 500,000. I don't know, like 300 probably.
Jeez.
Yeah, 300,000 people watched all 4 of the videos. Hello. You're gonna be on YouTube now.
UTV?
You can't even see anything, bro.
UTZ?
Oh, it's dead. I probably should charge that.
We'll do a temporary light.
On a scary night tonight, we are pulling motor at the middle of the night
On a Subaru.
on a Subaru. Actually, so same day as the tint, but different times. I got really busy and I really got to finish this. So we're going to grind it out. Me and Nico.
Yeah.
If you guys have never met Nico, but he's one of my homies. We're going to pull this stupid motor out of this thing. I got the motor unloaded, sitting on the floor over there, the one we picked up all the way in Phoenix. And then hopefully this is it. Got a radiator for it, thermostat, new hoses, make sure the head gasket, all that gunky shit's gone. We're going to drain all the fluids really quick and then take it apart. And then hopefully get this done in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Hopefully.
Probably, yeah.
20 minutes, the fuck?
It should be done. It should be easy. It should be easy.
All right.
Let's get it done.
we're back. It's been like an hour, but we got, let's see how my angles of moving my GoPro around is. We got radiator out. We got the condenser hanging here, the compressor on the side. Alternator's gone because we have transferred it over. Intake's completely gone. Little shroud's gone. Little cover piece is gone. Belt's gone. Everything's almost gone. Now we just need the exhaust, wiring harness, transmission, and then we can put the new one in, and then hopefully by 1 in the morning we'll have a running car. That did not go as planned.
Okay, here's the next day. We did everything one day. I have 2 bolts left, and then I should be able to pull this thing off. I got the flywheel bolts off, and 5 for the bell housing. No, 5 for the bell housing bolts off. I think that's how many there is. Don't remember. I got 2 more, and then just jiggle, and then it should just pop out, and then hopefully that's it with this thing. I'm getting tired of it, so yeah, 20 more minutes. That's what I say every time, 20 more minutes. And then I can put that other motor in it. Hopefully.
Take forever. That was stupid. Thanks, Subaru. Could have just put the bolts up top or to the bottom. But no, they got to flip to the side. Two hoses there, that's off. Oh my nuts.
Will I not reach?
Motor mounts are on, right? I swear to God, they're on. Yeah, right. Oh, come on, bro.
Just gotta do the other side a little bit.
Playing Tetris with bro.
Oh yeah.
swing at me right now. Watch.
Yeah! Woohoo! Look at that feat of engineering. It's gonna blow up in 2,000 miles. Don't do that. Is there any, do you have a bar to hold this up so I can help you? So I don't feel like getting our heads slammed on with the hood. Let me bring it.
You get to go come to this side.
Your side?
Yeah. So that if you grab from here and just push it forward, you'll be up. And I'll make sure this side doesn't hit.